Guys, welcome back to my channel. I did not feel like doing my makeup today, so I'm just coming to you serving hair. This hair is so freaking pretty, literally giving fall vibes. This is Unice hair. I did wanted to come and show you guys more of like a natural length. It's like right here. I will have all the specific specs on this wig down below. I think I already showed you the inside of the wig, like showing all the combs and stuff. And these wigs I'm giving away because they do come with little goodies and stuff. So they come with a robe and some like other hair stuff like the band. I feel like I see some people asking me about the band. So this was gonna come with the band and I'll ship it to you for free. So yeah, if you guys are interested, just leave a comment down below and that's literally how you enter the giveaway. I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about that giveaway type of thing at the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another hair video. I'm gonna be installing this Unice hair, and if you have not checked out my last video, I am doing like a two-part video with Unice. So I have a straight wig and a curly wig. I'm gonna be giving away both, so make sure you check out that last video. Make sure you follow the rules. The rules are basically just leaving a comment and, you know, like just type something nice or whatever, or tell me other videos you want to see, just something. And on Friday, this Friday, I'm gonna announce the winner for the last video. You're gonna be winning a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna show you at the end of this video again the bunch of stuff that you're gonna be winning, like a robe, hair products, hair tools, the wig of course, and it's one winner. So this is the next video and it's gonna be another winner, so make sure you guys leave a comment down below. And yeah, let's get right into this video. I'm gonna be actually doing baby hairs on this wig. I did not do baby hairs on the last wig because I just felt like I just wanted to give it like a grown and sexy vibe, and it's fall time, so I have 12 minutes to put this wig on. So let me get started. I already minimally plucked this wig and I'm just gonna apply it with Ebin Lace Wonder Spray. Love using this one, the black bottle. And then I'm gonna do my edges as regular and then come back and show you guys the giveaway stuff. So yeah, I'm not gonna be talking through this just because it's normal, it's like the regular install, but I am gonna show you the inside of the wig. It does come with two combs at the top, one in the back, and an adjustable strap. The lace is a 13x4, but it's kind of like the 13x4 that is shorter on the sides. So you can see how that looks. The color is a more darker reddish brown. Let's get started with this video. So I'm putting the adjustable straps all the way, like so it could be tight. Okay, I'm going to cut off the ear tabs. I could have plucked this a little bit more, but I'm not going to. I'm too lazy. And with curly hair, you don't really have to pluck too much. You don't have to focus on plucking too much. And I did bleach the knots of this wig. That's why it kind of has like hot roots. It's fine. I don't know what possessed me to freaking do that. Because this wig actually didn't come like too dark. Like the lace, the knots on this wig actually did not come too dark at all. So that was just me being extra. Okay, so now I'm gonna spray 4 layers of this spray. Always spray 4 layers just in case I want to leave it a little bit longer. And make sure I spray right here, because if you don't, the lace is not gonna stick behind your ear. Like it's gonna stick at the front and then it's gonna have a space in the back. I said I wasn't gonna talk through this video, but I'm just telling you guys just like little tips that I realized. Just make sure you do that little area right there. And you want to make sure that the spray is tacky in between. I would really appreciate it if you guys comment down below a video that you guys want to see. I think I'm going to do a vlog today because I have to go to the mall. I have to go to the Apple store. Okay, you guys, for some reason I stopped talking, but now I'm just gonna stick the wig down into the adhesive. You can see that the spray is a little bit wet, so I was blow drying it back and forth. I'm using cool air, not hot air at all. And then once it's like stuck where I can maneuver the hair, I like to pin the hair out of the way because I'm gonna use the band and I need that band to be in the back of my head. I don't want the hair to be in the way because then it makes it difficult. I'm just blow drying the hair for about 8 minutes or so on cool air, and then it should be pretty dry where you can cut it and start customizing. Most of my videos are pretty much the same, but I just felt like talking you guys through it just because I know some people, when they see the wig, they want to know which wig it is. That's why I do these videos, so you guys can find the exact wig in the description box. So when you see like a picture or you see my TikTok, if you follow me on TikTok, hey guys, I love you guys. Thank you for supporting me on different platforms. Like what? I just sealed off the hairline and now I'm wiping it down with some alcohol, just my skin, because my skin will have some of that residue on there. And then I'm using the Ruby Kisses two-sided foundation like I always use, just to make it blend. I'm doing my same baby hair technique, so I'm not going to talk this through. You guys can just watch what I'm doing. It's safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost.
He ain't 4PF, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rats too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some bitch boat. Make the braid, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the racks on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna lift the dough. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Juice follow behind the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise to drive the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know wiping her up. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Making hit after hit, call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Smoke gloss and choppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the collar up for the sun. I'm gonna see it drop by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my problems, we second up, wallow and swallow. I'm trying to get it mega book. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shop, got 40 designer belts. OPF, look like the new BML. Think I'm done, got stones in my right and left. Say you track up the car, ain't no key in there. Just put us in they block to get out of there. Ain't gonna have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep a spell. On the strap because I'm worried. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Sky scrolling through me in the prison. 150 flying, bitch, you mellow.
Okay, you guys, and right here I'm actually using the Ruby Kisses powdered foundation in the color 12 because this is a colored wig. I wanted to blend seamlessly to my scalp, and then I decided to do a middle part because I have not did a curly middle part in the longest time, and I actually have never did a curly burgundy, well, ginger burgundy middle part in a very long time. Well, actually never did it before on my channel. I'm using this Nairobi foam just to sleek down my hair, but I did end up going in and doing my moisture routine. So after, not this video or the next video, but after the next video, I'm gonna have my updated moisture routine because it's really amazing. You guys are gonna see at the end of the video how this hair looks. So beautiful, right? Okay guys, so I end up wetting the whole hair and I'm gonna just put this at the top. And this is just gonna make sure that it's nice and flat. Okay you guys, and once I brush that through, literally that was all I put in this hair. I'm gonna wait for it to dry. I left it like this just to see what it would give, and it was giving like a little bit frizzy. I did not end up doing my makeup or anything like that, but this is how the hair is looking. It's about 80% dry. It's still a little wet, so it looks a little bit darker. It's gonna lighten up as the day progresses, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it looks when it's like 100% dried, but this is how it's looking right now. I'm trying my best not to touch it too much because it's gonna get frizzy. It already started getting frizzy, child. But yeah, this is the end results. That's why I end up doing my curly hair moisture routine because, like, don't get me wrong, the hair is wet right here. Like, it's about 50% wet and 50% dry, but it got like poofy, and I like my curly hair to be very defined. So my curly hair routine really does that. Like, it makes it moisturize and define, and it doesn't get frizzy when it's drying, because you can see it's already starting to get frizzy. And then you're gonna see my hair at the end of the video, and that was like the next day when I did do the moisture routine. So make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe, and like this video. So I'm gonna post the moisture routine so you guys will be notified once I do. Okay guys, I just wanted to come back and show you the hair when it's 100% dry. So right now it's 100% dry. I did end up moisturizing it and stuff this morning, and now it's like nighttime. So this is how the hair looks once it's dried. I really love how it looks. Oh, this is the baby hairs. I did install this wig yesterday. This is like me refreshing it, and this is how it's looking. If you guys are interested in this wig, I will have it linked down below. If you're interested in winning this wig, make sure you leave a comment down below, and I am gonna be posting I'll post a picture with me wearing the specific wig, so the picture should match the thumbnail, and I'm gonna post it in the community tab on Friday, so you guys will see the winner then. I'm probably gonna like type the winner in the comments or something like that, or like the caption will say the winner's name. So you just want to comment down below, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure you check my community tab on Fridays. Whichever Friday it is, just check the community tab and you guys will see who the winner is. And if the person doesn't contact me, you could either just like comment back and then I'll be able to message you on Instagram or something. I don't know if YouTube has a way that I can message you, but you'll get your wig. And if the person doesn't, then that's that. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I absolutely love how this hair is looking. Make sure you guys check out Unice hair. They did that with these wigs, okay? And I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.